Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Now, all categories of fuel will decline effective tomorrow. Each litre of 87 gasoline and 90 will decrease by 25 cents. Motorists will pay $10.50 less for automotive diesel, while Ultra Low Sulphur Diesel will also decline by $3.06. Kerosene will fall by $4.50. The cost of propane will decline by $2.10, while butane will go down by $3.06. Each petrol station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Now, the JSE index declined by 972 points today, while the junior market declined by 27 points. The winners include JFP Limited, Mailpack Group, JMMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Sterling Investments, and Jetcon Corporation. The losers include Cargo Handlers, Caribbean Cream, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and Proven Group US dollar shares. 17 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $158.19. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $112.15. The pound is going for $210.87, while the euro is selling for an average $180.96.